Hey guys, welcome to M&M Plants. Today I'll be covering a topic related to associated with these flowers. A lot of times I get questions on YouTube comments or on Facebook groups that I have so and so plant, for example this night jasmine plant or even petunias or cosmos or any other plant, and I'm not able to get the flowers on my plant or not enough flowers on my plant. Then why is it happening? What should be done? For that matter, even easy plants like vinca, I'm not able to get flowers on my plants. What should be done? So I want to cover 3 points today that you need to take care if you feel that your plant is healthy but it's still not blooming. The first thing that we need to understand is the sunlight requirement. Whenever a plant gives a lot of flowers, chances are that it needs a lot of sun. Most of them, they need full day sun. For example, if it's a rose plant like I have over here, I have kept it in the opposite side because I want my rose plant to get sunlight from morning till evening, full day sun. That's how they bloom. Even my marigolds, they get full day sun. And other plants like petunia or cosmos, because it's a little hotter, we are touching 30 now, I just make sure that they only get morning sun because afternoon sun is a little harsh for them. So understanding the proper sunlight requirement for your plant is very important so that your plant gets the proper sunlight and blooms a lot. The next thing is nutrients. A plant needs nutrients to bloom, to have a lot of flowers. So what I normally do is whenever I plant any plant, especially if it's going to give me flowers or fruits or vegetables, I make sure that while planting I give it cow manure, and every 20 days or every 1 month I'll add some bone meal powder to it. When you add bone meal powder to your plant every month, let's say, that will give a lot of energy to your plant to bloom heavily. The third thing I want to say is constant deadheading and constant grooming of your plant. When you see that there is a spent flower on your plant, that means the flower that has completed its life or is almost at the edge of completing its life, it is always best to chop that flower off, to chop that stem or branch off, so that your plant gets that strength to have new branches and stems and to have a lot of new flowers. If you keep these 3 points in mind and you apply them in your gardening, I'm sure that you will have a lot of flowers and blooms in your garden just the way I have. With that, I'll take your leave and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.